Hi there, I'm Pat with River's Edge Chev, and I thought that I would show what we do to make vanilla sugar. And I have our organic raw sugar here, and I have 4 vanilla beans that I got from Star West Botanicals. This is where we get most of our spices and herbs and things for this sort of thing. But anyway, they do a really nice job, and they have a really good system of let's see, I think it's where they track all of the products that they have back to the sources. Anyway, so I'm going to get started with this. We're going to just put these in. I'm going to put sugar in the jar, and I'm going to put the vanilla beans in the jar as I fill it. So it'll all come together really well. And then basically you leave the sugar in the jar with the vanilla beans for about a month. And you can shake them up so that they get a little bit dispersed through there. But also the nice thing is that you can also use the vanilla beans after you're done infusing the sugar. It's not something where you discard the vanilla beans. You can use them over and over. And you can also soak them in bourbon or vodka or brandy to make your own vanilla extract. It's kind of a nice thing to do. And it doesn't take a lot of vanilla because the vanilla has a really strong flavor that'll impermeate everything. A long time ago, a friend gave us some vanilla that was in bourbon that came from Tahiti. She'd been down there tuna fishing and came back with presents for everybody, and most of it was the vanilla, the Tahitian vanilla in bourbon. It was really lovely stuff. Anyway, simple, easy peasy, and you end up with vanilla sugar. And vanilla sugar is really nice for topping things or making your hot cocoa with. It's really nice. Anyway, that's how you do it. You just put it in the jar, cap it, shake it up a little bit, and there you go. Let it set for a good month and you'll have vanilla sugar. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope we'll see you again. Bye-bye.